Yo guys, what is going on? Today we're gonna jump headfirst into another tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, hit the like button. If you don't, well, still hit the like button. It still helps me out. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see. So let's jump into it. We're gonna start with deleting this cube like so, and then we're gonna go Shift A, add in a plane, an S10. Then enter, then go Control A and apply. Then we're going to go over to tab key and give it subdivisions of 30. And then we're going to go over to the modifiers, add a modifier, and the modifier is going to be a displace. Then we're going to hit new and we're going to go over to this little key over there and go to clouds. Once we're in the clouds, we're going to set this to 2 and set this to 0. Then this is virtually done. We're going to go Shift A, add in a cylinder. And this is where all the fun is going to be. We're going to give this a radius of 0.25. And we're going to give it depth of 5 meters. And then I'm going to make this plane disappear. And we're going to shade smooth. Go over to this. Go normal and auto smooth. Then we're going to hit tab and we're going to give it some loop cuts. We'll loop cut it once in the center and then it's going to give us the rest of this. And we're going to loop cut it in the center and then once there, once here. Then we are going to go to here, click on top, and we're just going to bring it down. And then we're going to dome that top off. All nice. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring this in. And guys, play around with as much as you want with these. I'm just freestyling this at the moment. But go absolutely crazy, guys. Why not? And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this key, go to new, and then we're going to change this to a nice dark kind of color and bring up the metallic. Bring the roughness down a little bit, and then we're going to go add in a new. And this is going to be an emission, and then we're going to give it a brightness of 10, and we're going to give it a nice orangey red. I'm going to go over to the settings, and turn on ambient inclusion, bloom, screen space refraction. Then we're going to go back over and now we're going to select this, select these two, and select probably this lot as well, and I'm going to assign them. And then when I go over here, I'm going to have some of these. GZ, bring this in, and I'm just going to assign this as well. Now you've played around with it, just going to move it on the y-axis all the way over there. Maybe, maybe just a bit more. And we're going to bring this plane back in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this, click on the plane and go Control P and then go to object, and then we're going to go to this plane, go to the properties, the transform, and go to here and go vert. Now we've just got like a billion trillion of these, which it's okay, but we still want to move this, so we're going to keep moving this away so that we don't sit in the camera view. Then we're going to bring all these back, and we're going to go Shift A, add in a circle, then Shift A, add in a empty plane axis, then we're going to go to the circle, no, we're going to go to the empty, and we're going to go add in constraints, and this constraint is going to be a follow path, and we're going to select the target to be the Bezier circle to be added in. And once that's been done like that, you just seen this empty move to the outside of it. Then we're going to go back over to hit this, and we're going to go to the modifiers where it says local. We're going to change this to object, and the object is going to be the empty. And once that's done, right, so now over at the offset, we're going to go I, and then we're going to change this to 120. I'm going to bring this to 120. I want to set this to 100, and then click I, and then the magic begins. I'm going to go over to this globe, turn it down to 0, and hit play. And now we have our sea of lights. And you know, like, oh no, see these lights, these lightsy bulbsy things aren't really moving that high. So when you play with the strength, you know, they get like, can make them like go really high and really low. You can really control everything about this, so have a play around, see what you like. So guys, thank you for making it through another video. If you enjoyed it, drop a thumbs up. If you didn't, well, still drop a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.